Hi guys, oh my god. Hi guys, today I'm gonna try to make, oh my god, I keep on getting hiccups. Hi guys, today I'm gonna be trying to make some airplanes. And you say what with? I say I have this right here. Hold on. Bam, 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 bam. Right here. That will help me make some airplanes. Let's get started. Phew. Let's do this. So guys, this is what it looks like right here. Nobody saw that. Wait. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Thing open. Get it a little bit. When you watch this, it's probably uploaded tomorrow. Okay, this is the book right here that we're supposed to learn how to do this. So let's get started. Let's see which one we're gonna do. Let's see. I wanna do, these are all the airplanes you could do on here. So, and it's a little bit more. Yep, a little bit more. So, I wanna do this one right here. Right there. You see that? Right. There, focus. Yes. Whatever, you already see. So, let's find it. Oh, there it is. Found it. So it says here, grab a piece of paper that you want. And I want this piece of paper right here. Now it says, what do you do? Okay, so it says, looks like it says, fold the paper. You see that? Hold on, let it focus. Where's number 1? Right here, top. You can't see it, but I can. So that's the only thing that matters. This will probably be a long video, just so you know. Perfect. Did that. Done. Okay, next it says number 2. How are you supposed to do that? Supposed to open it back up. How is that possible right now? What? It's telling me to do this step, and I do not know how to do that. How do you do that? How do you do this right here? How do you do it? Oh no. Oh. So I think we did. I think we just pull it back up and then we open it again. And then wait. I don't know. This is super hard. I'll be back. Okay, I have researched that I can't do this, and my researcher is my mom, and she said I cannot do this because she don't know. So this is just trash over there. You need to find a new piece of paper. This is perfect, but we just use this one. Okay, let's do these. So first of all, it says, boom, did that and done. No, I need you. Open it back up. It says How to do that? Okay, done that, did it. Now number 3 says, do the other side again. How do you do that? Okay, so do this. Do that. Do this. Over. Okay. So you do it. The quitter. No, that's not how you do it. Okay, we messed up already. Let's do it this way. Perfect. Not perfect, but it's good enough. Yep, we can't do none of these. These are so hard. These airplanes are literally the hardest. And you can do these. Show me how, because I cannot. Guys, I dare you to get this at Target or something and try to do it. It's impossible, okay? Impossible. Like, nobody can do it. If you try, you will fail. I'm so negative. Perfect paper. So let's see. I don't care if this looks ugly or not. It's gonna look good. No. Just fold it. Guys, I know this is a long video, but now it says fold both edges, and that's what I'm going to do to the trees. We could be, nope, we messed up. So, when you mess up, you gotta improv. Fix your problem by mistakes, okay? Let's get started. I think he's wanting me to do this, so I'm just gonna do it. If I screw this up, I suck at paper airplanes. How are you supposed to do it? Okay, I'm gonna make my own. No, because I cannot do these. So I'll be back when I have my own. This is what I have so far. It's done. Let's test this. Okay, and right here, and this is the paper airplane right here. Time to build this thing, and let's see what happens. Wow. Let's do it. Test number 2. That's not so bad. Test number 3. This is the last test. And 3. Unos, dos, cuatro. Yeah. Not bad, but that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and smash the thumbs up. Smash it 3 times, because if you smash it 2 times, it will unlike the video. So you don't want to do that. Smash it 3 times. And make sure you tell your friends about my channel. That's all I want you to do. And can we get up to 10 likes and I have a subscribe challenge for you. So subscribe in the next 5 seconds. You gotta click the bell, subscribe. Subscribe and then click the bell, cause yeah. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? I counted pretty fast, so I don't know if you did it or did you do it. And that's gonna be the end of this video. Peace out.